When you take risks, when you go outside your comfort zone, that is truly where you develop your style. So I'll say this right now. A lot of you are young, or a lot of you are just starting your creative writing journey. But trust me, you have a long time ahead of you. You do. You may not feel like it, but you do, especially as creative writers. So take risks. Take as many risks as you can. Try writing a sci-fi short story. It might suck, like literally suck. You may rely too much on tropes. You may not like science fiction, but who knows? Maybe that resentfulness to writing sci-fi, you might come up with something new, something in the sci-fi genre that no one has ever thought about. How would you know that you had a knack for sci-fi if you didn't try? There's too many writers who say, I'm not good at that, so therefore I'm not going to do it. And unfortunately, that leads to writers being a one-trick pony. Writers being a master of only one genre. And some critics get very pissed off about that. They do, unfortunately.